All right, guys, we're on my favorite topic. Today we're talking about why women should say yes to more orgasms. Please don't roll your eyes and turn this off. Ladies, I promise this is for you. And the great news is, men, when it's a win for them, it's almost always a win for you. So there's a lot of really important health benefits to having orgasms, and that's what I kind of want to get into a little bit. So first of all, less stress, right? So having an orgasm releases oxytocin, helps reduce your cortisol levels. We've all heard about our stress and our cortisol levels and adrenal fatigue and all of these things, right? No brainer. Reduces cortisol levels, decreases stress. Number two, universal principle of use it or lose it. So just as universal as gravity, use it or lose it can wreak havoc on all physical aspects of our bodies. And when we have orgasms, it uses all of our pelvic floor muscles. And so again, I'm talking about orgasms, not necessarily sex. Having an orgasm involves the tightening and use of the pelvic floor muscles and is very healthy for keeping good function down there. For men, it helps to keep a healthy prostate and engaged prostate function. So it's just a great win-win. So another important reason to have orgasms, it actually downshifts your nervous system, right? It's a massive energy release. There's often like a little bit of a shaking. In the myofascial world, we call that thawing. And that really truly gets energy out, stuck energy out of the system and moving, which leads to better sleep. I don't talk to very many women who are knocking sleep out of the park. We could all use a little bit better sleep and more restorative sleep, and orgasms can help with that too. So ladies, bottom line, say yes to more orgasms and stay tuned because we're going to dive into this more in future videos in terms of what it usually takes for us to orgasm, how, why, all the things, which is why I've created a whole workshop around having better sex. So practice all the things I'm going to teach you. Help me reach my goal of helping more than 500 women have better orgasms this year.